Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114. Harley Davidson has ignited excitement among motorcycle enthusiasts with the unveiling of its latest powerhouse cruiser, the 2025 Fat Bob 114. This model represents a bold evolution of the iconic Fat Bob series, combining robust performance with contemporary design elements to set new standards in the cruiser motorcycle market. At the heart of the Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 beats a formidable Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin engine, displacing 1868 cubic centimeters. Renowned for its torque-rich power delivery, the engine propels the Fat Bob 114 with authority, ensuring thrilling acceleration and an exhilarating riding experience. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, riders can expect responsive performance and unmatched reliability. The 2025 Fat Bob 114 embodies Harley-Davidson's commitment to delivering motorcycles that combine power, style, and innovation, said Johann Zeitz, chairman, president, and CEO of Harley-Davidson. With its aggressive design, enhanced performance, and advanced features, the Fat Bob 114 appeals to riders who crave a dynamic riding experience and distinctive styling. Visually striking, the Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 features a bold and muscular stance that commands attention. The bike's design highlights include a dual LED headlamp setup, robust inverted front forks, and a minimalist yet functional aesthetic that blends modernity with classic Harley-Davidson heritage. Comfort and ergonomics are enhanced with a low-slung seat, forward foot controls, and a wide handlebar ensuring a confident riding posture. Innovative technology is seamlessly integrated into the Fat Bob 114, with features such as Harley-Davidson's advanced ride-by-wire throttle system, selectable ride modes, and optional ABS braking for enhanced safety and control. A state-of-the-art digital instrumentation panel provides riders with essential information at a glance, ensuring they stay informed and connected while on the road. Industry experts have praised the Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 for its combination of raw power, distinctive design, and technological innovation, making it a standout choice in the competitive cruiser motorcycle segment. The Fat Bob 114 exemplifies Harley-Davidson's ability to blend performance and style in a modern cruiser, commented motorcycle journalist Emily Davis. Its potent engine, aggressive stance, and advanced features cater to riders looking for both power and personality in their motorcycles. Enthusiasts worldwide eagerly anticipate the availability of the Harley-Davidson 2025 Fat Bob 114 at dealerships, eager to experience firsthand its formidable performance and iconic design. With its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and legendary Harley-Davidson craftsmanship, the Fat Bob 114 is poised to captivate riders and reaffirm Harley-Davidson's reputation as a leader in the cruiser motorcycle market.